Hey, today I wanted to share some great news with you. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac have announced their income limits for this upcoming year. So for 2025, the income limits for their Home Ready and Home Possible loan programs. Now, Fannie Mae has what's referred to as Home Ready. Freddie Mac has a product called Home Possible. They're both very similar in terms of their qualifications and how they work, the different benefits that you get for using either of these products. And while I've discussed them in the past, I'm going to share a few with you again today, just as a reminder. So for starters, if you are doing less than 10% down, the amount of mortgage insurance you're going to pay is a little bit less expensive. It's a lesser amount that's required. Therefore, the mortgage insurance is cheaper utilizing one of these products if you are doing less than 10% down. If you are also using one of these products, you're going to get a little bit better interest rate. And that's because both Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac limit the amount of what they refer to as loan level price adjustments. And while I don't want to get super technical on you here, just know that it's a little bit better rate because there's not as many loan level price adjustments. And then lastly, if you're a first-time home buyer, you can get in with as little as 3% down when utilizing one of these products. Now, don't worry, if you're not a first-time home buyer, you still could be eligible for one of these products, take advantage of the lower rate, lower mortgage insurance. It's just that you would be required to do at least 5% down. So those are some of the key factors, key benefits to both of these programs. And so we have helped many clients over the years with these products. And so I was really excited to see that they've rolled out the new income limits, and they have in fact increased over last year, which means that many more people are going to be eligible for these products. And so here in the greater Phoenix metro area, Maricopa County, Pinal County, the median income for those areas is $109,600, so $109,600. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac utilize 80% of that number to make you eligible, or determine if you're eligible, I should say, for the Home Ready or Home Possible. So that works out to $87,680 would be the income limit. So if you're making less than $87,680, you would be eligible for one of these products. Now, I'm talking about just here in the greater Phoenix metro area. However, these are eligible for the entire country, and we can lend in any part of the state. And so if you're in a different area, we can still help you with that, still help you with this product. It's just your income limit is going to be a little bit different. We're going to include a link within the video here that you can literally check by just putting in the address of the property you're interested in. It'll let you know what those income limits are and if you fall within the income limitations that are set for that particular area, county, if you will. Okay. Listen, I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please do me a favor and subscribe to our page here. Feel free to share this video with any of your friends or family that might be benefited by it. In other words, this might be good information for them. Please feel free to share it. I'd appreciate that as well. And then, of course, if you have any questions regarding the Home Ready, Home Possible, any questions about the mortgage process in general, always feel free to reach out. You can call or text anytime. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.